Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will show you how to add a cover photo to your Whatnot profile. Having an attractive cover photo can make your profile look professional and appealing. This guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open the Whatnot app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, click on the View Profile button. After that, you will see an Edit Profile option. Click on it to make changes to your profile settings. Then, locate the cover photo field and tap on it. You will see an option to choose a photo from your library. Tap on Choose from Library, and it will open your phone's gallery. Browse through your photos and select the one you want to use as your cover photo. After selecting your desired photo, click on Crop at the top right corner. Once you are satisfied with the cropping, tap on Save at the top right corner to apply the changes. Finally, your new cover photo will appear on your profile, giving it a fresh and attractive look. You can always repeat these steps if you want to update your cover photo in the future.